Are you still looking for a budget camera in 2020 with great features to help you create better content for your YouTube channel? Great, because you clicked on the right video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best camera you could buy that will give you quality content without breaking the bank. Hello, it's Ryan here with HomeofTech, where we review quality tech products on a budget. And today I'm gonna be unboxing and going over the details of what I think is the best budget camera. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, let's get right to it. So the camera that I'm talking about is the Canon EOS M6 that I picked up from B&H Photos. I had a little trouble getting it because it was delivered to the wrong address. Luckily my neighbor was generous and brought the package to my house. But from this point forward, I'm gonna be referring to it as the Canon M6. I paid $299 for this used camera that was in great condition. I also picked up a Viltrox lens adapter that gives some versatility while using the camera. Canon also sells the same adapter, but in my opinion the Viltrox version works just fine. But let's cover the camera and its functions first. So the Canon M6 comes in its original box with a battery and a camera strap. The strap is great because it stops you from dropping your camera. Removing the camera from the box, you can see that it is in a protective plastic. Looking at the camera, you can see that it is much smaller and compact than my Canon DSLR. One of the main reasons why I think that this camera is perfect for YouTubers is because it has a flip-up screen that allows you to vlog while seeing who and what is in your frame. The display on the back of the camera is small but bright, allowing you to see what you're recording. The camera shoots 1080p at 24, 30 and 60 frames a second, which I think is a good enough resolution for YouTube videos. The camera is quite simple to use and has an on and off switch, record and shutter button, and a few other dials and buttons that I will cover in a more in-depth video. It packs a lot of features that you will only find on more expensive cameras. The small size is perfect for you to take on trips or set up wherever you choose. It has a pop-up flash and a microphone jack on the left side, which is something that a lot of budget cameras don't have. Removing the lens cover allows you to see the sensor compared to the mirror you might see on my Canon SL2. The camera has a hot shoe at the top that can be used to mount an external microphone or a viewfinder. However, you won't be able to use these add-ons with the screen in selfie mode. Now let's talk about this Viltrox adapter. This packaging was quite simple, just this little box with foam protecting the adapter. It attaches to the camera by simply lining up the two white dots like you see here. This adapter allows you to use regular EF and EF-EOS lenses, giving you the ability to use Canon DSLR lenses with no issue. This adapter was relatively cheap. I think it was like for $49.99 on Amazon, and I will be linking all the products that I talk about in the description below. I would recommend picking up the Canon 24mm EF-EOS lens to go with this setup, or even the 18 to 55mm kit lens from Canon. With the Canon M6, you'll be able to make better videos for your YouTube channel and take better pictures for your Instagram page. So guys, feel free to check out some of my other videos because I always try to find quality products on a budget. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, leave your thoughts in the comment box below. And until next time, it's your boy Ryan here with HomeofTech. Peace.